And I'm Lexi Cruz. And we are your nurses. So may I know your name? Rachel Teresa. Okay. So for today, we will be doing a bed making for an occupied client.
Ang purpose po na ating method is for you to avoid bed sores and comfort.
Also, to change the sheet po na pinagamitan since madami po.
Bago po tayo magsimula, kung kaya niyo po mag-change ng position habang po ginagawa po ng investigation. And ilalagay na rin po natin para hindi po. And for the materials po, we have a bottom sheet, our rubber sheet, the draw sheet, and the top sheet, and also the new pillowcase.
And now we're doing the hand washing or infection control so that hindi po tayo makontaminate while changing the sheets of our patient. Okay, so for this part, we are removing na po the dirty linens of our patient, including yung kanyang kumot, yung kanyang bottom sheet, also the rubber sheet and the draw sheet. Isa-isa na po nating ilalagay yung mga new pair of sheet para napalitan po yung pinaghihigaan po ng ating patient. So we have here the bottom sheet, after that the rubber sheet, and then the raw sheet, and then yung kanyang kumot. Also yung pillowcase. And things to consider while changing the sheet is that to make sure po na hindi po mako-contaminate yung mga new sheet natin from our dirty sheets.